How does the life on Earth look like from the space?
It looks beautiful. It looks extremely different from place to place, but maybe more importantly, it looks the same. It's interesting to see a town that I know, a place that I've been, and then travel halfway around the world in 45 minutes and see a town that I've never even heard of and see how similar they are, how people behave the same everywhere that we live all around the world. To me, it's really refreshing and delightful to see how people tend to choose and decide to live their lives the same everywhere around the world. It's very unifying.
Mm-hmm. And how do our earthly fears, concerns, and joys look like from the space perspective?
Well, I mean, we're just people, you know. We don't do things perfectly. We sometimes do things really well and sometimes make mistakes. But I think you get a sense of stability from having traveled in space, from seeing the world. I've been around the world 2,600 times, and all of the concerns and fears and joys get put into perspective, I think, to see it all over and over again, to see so many people, to see the patience of the world and the time spectrum that I think gives a stability to it. It's very easy to get very concerned and worried about the things that are happening right now. Mm-hmm. But when you go around the world enough times, it adds the dimension of time. And I think that changes some of the perspective of the joys.
Mm-hmm. What is the feeling to see the world from the space?
To see the world from space is something close to magical. Mm-hmm. To be able to see the entire planet as this immense, patient place, but at the same time as one small circle, small sphere with one bubble of air around it that we're all breathing out of together. You get a sense of the immensity of the world, but also the fact that we are the shared, not just passengers, we're the crew on board this ship, and you get, I think, an increased sense of responsibility for it.